In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reverse videos in Canva. We'll go from opening your project to exporting a clean, reversed clip. And I'll point out a few tips along the way so you get the best results. Start by opening the Canva project that already contains the video you want to flip backward. On the left-hand sidebar, click the Apps tab. In the search bar that appears, type Video Reverser. When you see the app, click it, then choose Start Now to open the reversal tool inside your project. Before you run the reversal, prepare your canvas so the output looks crisp and accurate. Put your video on a single page only and set it as the background of that page so it fully covers the canvas edge to edge. This makes sure the exported resolution matches your design and avoids any black borders. If you need to, you can right-click the video and choose the option to set it as the background. Also, do not add any extra elements on that page. No text, shapes, or overlays, just the video itself. Keeping it clean prevents unwanted objects from being baked into the reversed clip. With that page ready, return to the Video Reverser app panel and select the page that contains your video. If your project has multiple pages, be careful to pick the exact one where the clip lives. If you only have one page, it's likely already selected. Click Export and let Canva prepare the page for reversal. You'll see a progress indicator. This step may take a moment depending on your video length and internet speed. Once the export is ready, look for the audio setting in the app and set it to reverse. This flips the soundtrack backward to match the reversed visuals. Keep in mind that any music or voiceover will now play in reverse, which can sound unusual. That's expected and is part of the effect. Next, click Reverse Video. The app will process your clip and create a new, reversed version. Processing time scales with the size and duration of your video, so give it a little time to finish. When it's done, the reversed video will be available directly in your project, ready for preview. Play it back to confirm the timing and motion look correct. Because you set the clip as a background on a single page with no extra elements, the output should fill the frame cleanly and preserve your design's resolution. And that's it. You've reversed your video in Canva from start to finish.